Healthcare is more than medicine. It is prevention, it is protection, and it is hope. At GENNECS Group, we believe healthcare should support people at every stage of life. Through GENNVAX, we focus on prevention, protecting communities from infectious and life-threatening diseases through advanced vaccine innovation and manufacturing. Through GENNECS, we deliver protection every day, providing pharmaceutical and biotechnology solutions that help patients manage chronic diseases, overcome acute illnesses, and improve quality of life. Together, these two pillars create a stronger healthcare ecosystem. From preventing disease before it starts to protecting patients throughout their healthcare journey, from communities to individuals, from vaccines to treatments, we are advancing healthcare through science, innovation, and impact. GENNECS and GENNVAX, from prevention to protection.